now cross over. Feature part 3. It's what we call a picture card. That's any card that shows up in front of the camera. Another good example that takes 24 frames of film, each shot one at a time, to create just 1 second to finish the effect. That's why this shot took weeks to prepare and 8 days to shoot. Of course, the desired effect was well worth it. For that last scene. Now, Doc, you're only about 10 feet above the floor, but when we look at you through the eyes of our camera, looks like you're high on a ledge above Courthouse Square. You know your job, right? Hook up there. We queued up the wind right now. You might remember there was a big storm scene at the end of the first film. Now we're going to make it rain, though, but we'll be nice and make it rain in front of them. And of course, where you have rain, you need thunder and lightning. And you're looking good. Keep struggling.
Demonstration in progress. Motion control photography is a process in which we create the illusion of spaceships flying through the universe. In motion control, the model never moves. The camera does. As you can see, a computerized camera is now moving the length of the ship against a black background. By adding a field of stars, we now create the illusion of the ship flying through space. Demonstration complete.
Thank you, Helen. Right?